Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's talk about Coinbase. It's been a while. I didn't do any update. I think it's time. So we did a not very nice, but kind of, we can count 5 way up. And then within these 5 waves, the 5th wave was even an extensive one. So we went even much higher to complete the first wave in blue. And now we're doing this corrective movement. So we can count 5 wave down, as you can see, and price stopped at the 0.618 fib retracement at $72.53. So this could have been already the wave 2. As you can see, I did put it here. And then, I wasn't sure if, once again, was the wave 2 finished or it's just a wave A. So I did left it here as an option, but also I was trying to say maybe since we broke out from this downtrend parallel channel, we use it as a support for a few days, actually a few hours. And after that, we had our first impulsive movement. So I said, maybe this could be already the first wave of the third wave. So we did the wave 1, wave 2, which it wasn't that good, right? Because wave 2 is not supposed to be that impulsive movement. So this was okay, but this one not so much. And as you can see, after that, unfortunately now I need to take out this bullish count. Why is that? Pretty easy, but this is the beginning of the wave 1, and now we went lower. So this is why the bullish count doesn't work anymore. Also now I can see that, we did 3-way up for the wave B, A, B, C. So that's another indication that, it was not a bullish or impulsive movement to the upside, but it's more a corrective one, right? Because, 3-wave, it's always the corrective movement. There are some exceptions, but So now also I can count it. If this was the end of the wave B, I can say that maybe this was the one, this is the 2, and now we're doing the third one. Eventually we're going to do the 4th and the 5th. Now, and this is not perfect science, I just draw the trend. Ideally, I would have loved to see, a third impulsive movement more like so, but it's not bad still. Now I could do some micro counting of the third wave, and maybe this is the 1, 2. Can we say this is a 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, and maybe the third one is not finished yet, something like that. But we're into the 1 hour, but it's not really important, in my opinion anyway. Why I put it that low? Okay, so if we zoom out a little bit, can I put it on the screen? Yes, I can. So since the lower low for Coinbase around January or end of December last year or January this year, you can see that we can draw an uptrend line, right? So we use it here when we had the bigger wave 2 corrective movement, and now it wouldn't be dramatic if we go back to that. Actually, it could be even more bullish because it really emphasized on the importance of this long-term trend line. Also, we wouldn't be that far from the 0.786 fib retracement, and I know some people are freaking out because crypto's going down and Coinbase is plunging, but this is total normal, right? So we do have this area to reassure ourselves this is where wave 2 should go. So now I can confirm that wave 2 is not finished, and we're going to make a lower low, local lower low, and we have so much room to go lower without freaking out. Now if I take the daily chart and I put some indicators, so once again, another positive thing is, okay, now we're losing momentum, as you can see in the MACD. Maybe Okay, enlarge too much. And RSI is still in decline. And we're going to get oversold. Every time we get on oversold, often we rebound, right? So let me see here. So we were oversold. We were almost, up and off with the positive momentum. And then after we skyrocket. Let me see here. So we need to see also price action and indicators, but mostly the price action, right? So for a moment, we once again said we're aiming, I am expecting lower prices. RSI will continue to go down, and more likely MACD is going to go continue to make longer red candles, and around the 0.786 or this really long-term uptrend, price should start to slow down and start to react to those levels. So we have two levels for the moment. Also, if I zoom in a little bit more, I can also say that this is the MA 200 on the daily chart. So this is going to be another point where the price can have support. So we have a lot of support to hold the price. So I would be really, really surprised if we go much lower than $60. But this is in my opinion, for sure, is not financial advice. It's a great opportunity to scale in, and maybe I'm going to go and scale in, who knows. All right, so this is pretty much all for Coinbase for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day and good shopping maybe, who knows. Bye.